Oh, na Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, they are told lands and natural resources. So for any more said, me ya no obey beer, yedibesi, legal mining, and no coin, say in su and sewer, any enquire mono, or now on your word, Jumon, and anomaly water a mantum was here, and or semi etuja.
Sajina ye eka Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, Tirimu Pos, or Pese, or Bo, and Emma Tray, and was here, and won't buy in Sassy, any more to the dear, and won't buy. Na probomono wo shebo se wo de abefo akwanhodo ebeba ebetimi aboa ate kwamboni ni pebe no mofaso etu afomagudie eso se be ye afomagudie no omaiga ne tu obenya ho mfaso okọ ne na se apro ewo atoye mantamu ene wode to nananom ne omanfo anim se de niku afomagudie tu ho senti obayire ne ho no watu kwamboni ni pebe no mofaso tu afomagudie asekra
nanano. My brothers and sisters, the whole country is appalled at the extensive environmental degradation that has been caused by illegal small-scale mining, popularly known as galamsey. Your own son, Ama Kofi-Boa, is formulating strategies for the implementation of our manifesto promise for dealing with this galamsey menace. Our plan will involve the communities, including the chiefs and the youth, to take part in protecting their lands and forests and water bodies. We're not going to make it the responsibility of only the security agencies. We're going to involve the chiefs and the young people in the communities to help to protect your own lands, your forests, and your water bodies.
And which of us are Konyane Sonso and Nanum Edin Komo Efa Equania, Obefaso, Enya, Nenshisha, or Diaba, any development agenda, no so emphasis.
I believe that Ghana's government structures must reflect our rich traditions, and our chiefs must have a more defined and meaningful role in national development. And that is why this review process will seek to ensure that traditional authorities are not just symbolic figures, but are key partners in decision-making at all levels of government.